This Lake Hamilton Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Kathi Melton. Lovely, premium manufactured home on wooded 1+ acre. Real sheetrock, taped and textured, with crown molding. Serene, private covered deck for entertaining and enjoying views of the woods. Island kitchen, oversized laundry room, concrete driveway, covered carport, front entrance, and bonus parking pad. Ceiling fans throughout, can lighting in kitchen area. Genuine brick underpinning. New roof. Wood burning fireplace. Freshly painted, with $2,500 flooring allowance on acceptable offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathi Melton at 501-525-1466.